Welcome to OBS Studio Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we add a video and an audio source in our OBS Studio setup. So once you have configured OBS Studio according to the settings that we discussed in the previous video, then you need to add a video and an audio source manually, just to make sure that your recording or streaming is actually starting to happen. So what we are going to do is we are going to manually add these sources, because that is the easiest way to ensure that we are in control of the audio and the video quality, and not some default quality or noisy quality is taken by default from our system. So what we are going to do is, first of all, add the audio device. So what you need to do is open up your OBS Studio, go to sources, click on the plus icon and click on audio input capture. I'm just going to rename it to mic. You can rename it to anything you want, just to make sure that it is distinguishable. In your case, you know that this is actually an audio device. Don't keep confusing names like something like Adam or Eve or something like this. Just keep distinguishable names like mic or audio or something like this. Click on OK. Then from the list of the devices, just select the microphone that you want to use. In my case, it is a Realtek Audio USB. Click on OK. Now as soon as you do that in the sources, you will see that your mic is added, and as you are speaking onto that particular mic source, you will see that your mic is showing some audio levels. From here you can control the level of the volume. If I turn it all the way down, so it is not recording any other audio levels, but if I want, I can just keep it at 100%, and that would record all my usual audio. Then after adding the audio source, we need a video source as well. So again, go to plus icon. This time we are going to add a video source. So go to video capture device, just rename it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to rename it as a webcam, so that I know it is my video capture device. Click on OK. Now it will, in case if you have only one webcam, in my case it is just the integrated webcam of my laptop, so it has automatically opened up this window where the device is selected as integrated webcam, and it is currently showing the output that my webcam is seeing. But if you have different cameras, then in the devices those would be listed, and from there you can choose your webcam. So I'm just going with the integrated webcam. Then scroll down. For the resolution, if it is selected as a device default and you want to change your resolution, then select on custom. So what happens in is, if I just select one, or if I just go to the resolution, so these are the resolutions available in my case. The highest resolution is the 720p, but in your case it may go up to 1080p. So just select the highest resolution available. So I'm just going to select the highest resolution, that is 1280 into 720p. For the FPS, just select match output FPS, video format. So MJPEG or any, so just select any, because automatically it will be converting it into an MP4 format, which we have set in the video settings. Then click on OK. So now this is the audio device. This is actually the video that you're getting. If you want, you can just resize it something like this, or if you want your screen to be shown in the rest of the place and your video to be shown just like at a particular angle or at a particular pop-up, then you can just adjust it like this. But I want my video to be shown in a full screen format, so I selected a full screen format. Next thing is, as soon as you have integrated your webcam, you will see that there are two audio levels that you're getting. One is for the mic and the other is for a webcam. In case you do not want your audio to be mixed, just select the webcam audio mixer and just click on this volume button so that it gets muted. Then right click over here and you can just hide it as well. So now only the mic is used to capture your audio, and webcam is used to capture your video. So that's how you set up the devices in your OBS Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.